start करी. Good morning, students. Today I will discuss matrix multiplication. Matrix multiplication. Here you see matrix multiplication. I had already discussed the addition and subtraction of a matrix, and I have explained it. This, in case of a addition and subtraction, these two matrices are of same order. But here you see, in case of a matrix multiplication, the number of columns of the first matrix is equal to the number of rows of the second matrix. Then the matrix multiplication is conformable and the product is defined. Therefore, we can write this as a if number of columns of matrix A, suppose A is equal to number of rows of matrix of another matrix B. There you see, the number of columns of the matrix A is equal to the number of rows of the another matrix A. Then the matrices A and B are conformable for product, and the product AB is said to be defined. That means here you can write this as a then the matrices A and B are conformable for products, and the product AB is said to be defined. AB is said to be defined. Very important point here. If the number of columns of the first matrix A is equal to the number of rows of the second matrix B, then only matrix multiplication is conformable and the product AB is defined. If A, which is equal to Aij of order, there you see here, the matrix A has order m by n and the matrix B of order B is equal to jk of order n by p, dear. Here you see Aij of the order of matrix m by n. This is a matrix of order m by n, and B is also a matrix of order n by p. Here you see, dear, the number of column of the first matrix is equal to the number of row of the second matrix. Therefore, here you see number of column of first one and the number of row of the second one are same. Then the product AB is said to be defined, and that product AB is of order m by p, dear. This one you see. That means here you can write this as the product AB. The product AB is equal to, and it is denoted by C of ik of order m by p, dear. That means A is a matrix of m by n order and B is a matrix of order n by p. Then the product which is equal to, this is also a matrix of order m by p. That means here you see where that Cik is equal to summation of j equal to 1 to n Aij into jk, bjk. That means here we can write this as the product of AB which is equal to sum of the product of ith row of matrix A with the kth column of matrix B. That means here you see the multiplication is produced in between I and K. That means that Ck means I into K. That means Cik is the sum of the product of ith row of matrix A in with kth column of the matrix B. So I will take one or two examples so that you can better understand. Okay? So first one I will take one example. If A which is equal to dear A11, A3 suppose, and B which is equal to B11, B21 and B31 dear, then find AB. First we have to check whether AB is defined or not. That means the number of column of the first matrix equal to number of row of the second matrix. Here you see first, given A is equal to A11, A12 and 13. So this matrix has one row and three columns. Therefore it is written as 1 by 3 dear. And the second one is B, this equal to, this matrix is B11, B21, B31, and this is a matrix of order 3 by 3. यारे देखो टिके समझते ए जो मैट्रिक्स टा हमें लिखिले तार ऑर्डर होची 1 by 3, तो सेथिरे हमें कॉलम टा पाइले 3, and in the second case here you see the column is, row of the second matrix is 3. If the number of column of this first matrix is equal to number of rows of the second matrix, then only matrix multiplication is conformable and AB is said to be. In this case we can find out एक जगह रे हमें AB फाइंड करि परिबा तार प्रोडक्ट को. ताले एबे लक्ष्य करो तार जो प्रोडक्ट कथा मु कहूथिले, ताले ए बी डियर हियर यू सी, then the order of the matrix AB is of by 1 by 1. That means the product is of order 1 by 1. So here you see, so first you write the matrix A11, A12, A13. Similarly, in the second case, B11, B21, B31. So this is a matrix of order 1 by 3, this one with 3 by 1. Then the product AB is a matrix of order 1 by 1. ताले हमें आपको केमिति प्रोडक्ट करिबा, ताले मु तुमको मूलरु कहले जो डेफिनेशन रे, the sum of the product of the ith row in with the kth column. That means here you multiply like this. हमें आपको गुणी परिबा केउ भलिया. देखो एडी केमिति गुणन होची, ए फर्स्ट रो रो A11 संगे रे आमे जो अछि एडी एटारे गोटे कॉलम अछि आ तीनटा रो अछि, ताले ताको का संगे रे मल्टीप्लाइंग करिबा A11 into B11 dear. Next is plus, second one is plus. Again you multiplied it A12 into B21 plus same case A13 into B31. So this is the sum of the product of ith row with the kth column of the second matrix A11 into B11 plus A12 into B21 plus A13 into B31. So this is a matrix of order 1 by 1 dear. I have already explained you. This is the order of 1 by 1. If A is a matrix of order m by n and B is a matrix of order n by p, then the product AB is of order m by p. Next example I will take one more example. Number 2 example I will take, find the product. Find the product. Find the products. Here you write directly, you can write this as a question is 1, 2, 3, 3, 2 minus 1 into 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 and minus 1 dear. We have to find product of these two matrix. First we have to check the first matrix. What is the order of the first matrix? Here you write first given. What will be the solution? The procedure of write आमे ताको केमती लेखंती आउ ता solution को आमे केमती बाहर करंती. Here given is 1 2 3 3 2 minus 1 into 2 3 4 5 7 minus 1. In the first case dear, you see this is a matrix. It has 2 row and 3 column. In the second case again you see this is a 3 rows and 2 columns. First you see the number of column of the first matrix is equal to number of row of the second matrix. Then only matrix multiplication is conformable and product is defined. So here केमती आमे ताको बाहर करिवा मु तुमको गोटे केस रे एडी सिखेली. सेही केस रे हमर कोन थिला गोटे रो थिला गोटे कलम थिला. बट एठी देखा एडी दीटा रो अछि पटे दीटा कलम अछि. ताला आमे ताको केमती मल्टीप्लाइंग करि परिबा. So here you mark arrow mark here and this one with the arrow mark. We have to find the sum of the product of the ith row of matrix A with the kth column of the matrix B. Therefore here you can write this as a 1 into 2. First you can write this as a 1 and this one be 2. 1 into 2 plus second case is 2 into 4 dear. 2 into 4 plus third one is 3 into 7. So completed the first row and first column element. Again you see it has 2 column. Again here you see you multiplying again 1 into 3 dear. आमे एकबे का सहित काहा को मल्टीप्लाइंग करिबा फर्स्ट रो सहित सेकंड कॉलम को ताले काहा का सहित केमती मल्टीप्लाइंग करिबा 1 into 3 plus 2 into 5 dear. You see here again 3 into minus 1. So first row is completed. Second row is this is the second row. Again we have to multiplying second row with first column, second row with second column dear. So that means here we can write this as a 3 into 2, 2 into 4 minus 1 into 7. Here you see 3 into 2 plus 2 into 4 minus 1 into 7. And the second case again dear 3 into 3 plus 2 into 5 plus minus 1 into minus 1. The easiest way to remember dear, here you see in first case this one be 2, 4 and 7. This is the first column. No necessary first you write 3, directly you can write this as a this one be 2, this one be 4 and this one be 7. So it will easier to calculate. Then what will be the value? Here you see this equal to 2 plus 8 plus 21. Here you see 3 into 7 is 21. In the next case is 3 plus 10 minus 3. Second case here you see 6 plus 8 minus 7 dear. And in the last one 9 plus 10 minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. Here you see what will be the value then? 2 plus 8 is 10 plus 21. This one be 31. And 3 cancel, this value is equal to 10. Here you see 6 plus 8 is 14. 14 minus 7 is 7. And this one be 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 10 is 20. Dear, here you see this is a matrix of order 2 by 2. I have already explained. If first matrix is of order 2 by 3 and second matrix is of order 3 by 2, then the product of matrix, product is a matrix and is of order 2 by 2. Okay. Third question I will solve one more. One more. 1 3 into 2 minus 4 3 5. Dear, see this question. In this case we can multiply these two matrix or not. एई केस रे आमे दीटा मैट्रिक्स को मल्टीप्लाइंग करि परिबा कि करि परिबानी. आ जदि करि परिबानी then what will be the result or what will be the reason to find out these two matrices? First you check in the first case, in the first matrix, this is a matrix. This is a matrix of order what? It has a two row and one column. In the second case you see, this has a 2 row and 2 column. I have already explained you dear. If the number of column of the first matrix is equal to number of row of the second matrix, then only matrix multiplication is confirmable. Here you see the number of column of the first matrix is 1 and the number of row is 2. That means here you can write this as a number of column of first matrix is not equal to dear, not equal to number of rows of second matrix. Here you see number of columns of the first matrix is not equal to number of rows of the second matrix. That means here matrix multiplication is not defined here. Here matrix multiplication is not defined. ता माने हैला एई केस रे आमे तांकर प्रोडक्ट जो ए बी आमे ताको बाहर करि परिबा नाही जदि नंबर ऑफ कॉलम्स ऑफ द फर्स्ट मैट्रिक्स ता कहा सहित नंबर ऑफ रो ऑफ द सेकंड मैट्रिक्स ताहले आमे प्रोडक्ट को करि परिबा हैला. So for the CHSE student I will solve some questions with your prescribed book. Exercise 4A question number, I will solve some question from your prescribed book, CHSE book. The question is question number 8, exercise 4A. I will solve one or two questions. Question number 8, exercise 4A. If, question is if A which is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B equal to 3, 2, 1, 4 and C is equal to 2, 2, 1, 3 dear. Here you see 2, 2 and 1, 3. We have to find, then find first bit. We have to find AB, second bit BC and third bit CA. हैला तुम बही क्वेश्चन एटा एक्सरसाइज 4A रो आमे मल्टीप्लिकेशन कोन आमे बुझिले. नेक्स्ट A is given, B is given and C is given. We have to find the value of AB and BC and CA. In which way or in which procedure we can find this? Here you first write the given condition कोन हमको दिया है छि फर्स्ट आमे ताको लेखिबा तापरे आमे गोटे गोटे मल्टीप्लिकेशन काढिबा. देखो एबे कोन देई छि फर्स्ट रे given A which is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is equal to dear 3, 2, 1, 4 and C which is equal to 2, 2, 1, 3. So we have to find AB. Question is first we have to find AB. That means AB. So first we can write this as A 1, 2, 3, 4, B 3, 2, 1, 4. Then you check the order of the first matrix is 2 by 2 and the order of the second matrix 2 by 2 because these two are the square matrices. That means here the number of columns of the first matrix and the number of rows of the second matrix is equal. Therefore AB is defined. ताले आमे एई केस रे प्रोडक्ट काढी परिबा. ताले बे केमती काढीबा देखो एबे म ऑलरेडी तुमको दि तीनटा एग्जांपल करि सरलेनी. देखो एडी एरो मार्क देई देले तुमको कैलकुलेशन पाई इजियर हबो. ता माने आमे केमती कैलकुलेट करचोंती टिके लक्ष्य करे भलो करी 1 into 3 plus 2 into 1. Next again with the second column, first row with second column 1 into 2 plus 2 into 4. 1 into 2 plus 2 into 4. Again in the second case, second row, we can write this as a 3 into 3 plus 4 into 1. नेक्स्ट 3 into 2 प्लस 4 into 4 वेरी इजियर खाली थरे तुम ताकू जदि लक्ष्य करिगल ताहले एगुडाक बहुत सहज मोर आराम से आमे करि परिबा हला देखो एटी कोन आसिला ताहले स्टेप टिके आउ टिके कमेया पई आमे डायरेक्ट भी एडिशन लिखि परिबा 1 into 3 is equal to 3 plus 2 into 1 is 2 so 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 in the second case here you see 2 and 2 into 4 is 8 so you can write this as a 2 plus 8 is 10 here you see 9 3 into 3 9 plus 4 this one be 13 3 into 2 6 plus 16 16 plus 6 is equal to 22 here you see this is a matrix of order 2 by 2 again question is you have to find the value of B C here you see second case B C here you see what is the value of D B is a matrix 2 3 2 1 4 C टा केते दिया आइची 2 2 1 3 देखो आमे सेम स्टाइल रे आमे प्रोडक्ट कले गोटे दीटा क्वेश्चन आमे करि पारला परे देखो आपे आपे तुमको सब मल्टीप्लिकेशन आसी जिवो देखो इन केस ऑफ ए स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स जो ऑर्डर रे थिबो जो रिजल्ट आमे प्रोडक्ट रे पाइबा दिस इज आल्सो ऑफ सेम ऑर्डर बट हियर यू सी एबे देखो एटी बी और सी ये भी सही 2 by 2 ऑर्डर रे अछि ये भी सही 2 by 2 ऑर्डर रे अछि ताले आमे जो प्रोडक्ट टा करिबा दिस इज आल्सो ए मैट्रिक्स ऑफ ऑर्डर 2 by 2 एबे सेम केस आमे केमति एबे मल्टीप्लाइंग करिबा आउ तो सब बेले एमति आउ एरो मार्क दबानी एबे एते गुडे क्वेश्चन करि साला पर आमे टिके एरो मार्क उठेई कि निजे निजे करिया चेष्टा करिबा देखिया कोन होउछ एबे 3 out 2 डायरेक्ट लिखली रो सहित कॉलम को केमति करूछ देखो 3 into 2 plus 2 into 1 तापर सेमति आसिला केन देखो 3 into 2 plus 2 into 3 देखो केमति હું डायरेक्ट लिखली आ सहित आकु तापर सेकंड रे सेमति आसिली 1 into 2 4 into 1 नेक्स्ट सेमति आसिला 1 into 2 plus 4 into 3 आमे एई फॉर्म रे ताकु लिखि परिबा एबे चेक करो से वैल्यू केते हला हमरो देखो एडी 3 into 2 is equal to 6 6 plus 2 हला 8 second case 6 plus 6 12 so this one be 2 plus 4 6 2 plus 12 14 so this is a matrix of order 2 by 2 similarly you can solve this value C is first one is C and this one is A then you multiplied it okay this is the very important part the first you remember the number of column of the first matrix is equal to number of row of the second matrix then only matrix multiplication is possible and matrix product that product AB is defined बुझी पारला ताकू एबे आमे जिबा आउ टिके ऊपर को केते गोटे इंपोर्टेंट पॉइंट अछि मैट्रिक्स मल्टीप्लिकेशन ताकू आगे जानिबा एबे टिके सब बेले लक्ष्य रखुतबो केमती होउची लेखा केतेटा इंपोर्टेंट नोट मु गोटे गोटे डाकिबी गोटे ताकू भी बुझेई देबी केमती होउची सांगरे सांगरे ताकू टिके लेखुतबो देखो इंपोर्टेंट नोट number 1 the first point number 1 if here you see if A is m by n matrix n by m matrix here you see if A is m by n matrix then AB and then both AB and BA are defined then here you write one comma defined then B is a matrix of order n by m very important short question एथरे आसे केते बेले जदि एटा को आमे m by n मैट्रिक्स रे दिया हिथिबो AB और BA को आमे केते बेले डिफाइन करि परिबा जदि ताको आमे डिफाइन करि परिबा देन द ऑर्डर ऑफ द मैट्रिक्स B टा केते हबो ता माने एडी तमे निजे लक्ष्य करो A टा जदि आमे m by n नेले ताले B मैट्रिक्स टा जदि हमर n by m हुए ताहाले जाई करी आमे AB को डिफाइन करि परिबा ताले AB को लक्ष्य करो ताले फर्स्ट केस रे हमर कोन ऑर्डर टा आसिला m by n आसिला सेकेंड केस रे आसिला n by m ता माने आर कॉलम आर रो समान हो गला ताले आमे ए बी को डिफाइन कर देले सेम केस इन केस ऑफ जेतोले आमे बी ए नबा बी रो ऑर्डर m by n आउ ए रो ऑर्डर m by n ताले बे देखो आर ऑर्डर अछि केते m by n by m ता माने नंबर ऑफ कॉलम टा अछि m आर नंबर ऑफ रो टा अछि सेम ता माने इफ a is m by n matrix then both ab and BA are defined. B is a matrix of order n by m. Next, the second point here. If, very important one, this one. If AB which is equal to null matrix, here you write this one, null matrix. Here you see, if the product of AB is a null matrix, then both A and B need not be a zero or null matrix. देख टिके ए बी मैट्रिक्स रो प्रोडक्ट आमे जीरो हबो एटा ऑब्वियस जिंस कोन जदी ए मैट्रिक्स टा गोटे नल बी मैट्रिक्स टा गोटे नल मैट्रिक्स जदी हबो ताहाले तांको दी जनकर प्रोडक्ट टा इज ए नल मैट्रिक्स बट हियर यू सी both A and B जदि null matrix हेई नथिबो then also the product of AB which is equal to the null matrix. I will take one example here. You see, if A which is equal to, dear, here you see, if A is equal to, write like this, here you see 0 0 0 1, here you write like this. This is the way A which is equal to 0 0 1 0 and B which is equal to 0 0 0 1. Here you see A, this is not a null matrix, dear, this is not a null matrix, but the product of these two is a null matrix. I have already explained you, if AB is equal to null matrix, then both A and B need not be a zero matrix. Here you see the product of A, B, here you see 0 0 1 0 into 0 0 0 1. Here you see the number of column of the first matrix is equal to number of row of the second matrix. ए केस रे हमें मल्टीप्लिकेशन करि परिबा ताले सिंपल जिंस एटी लक्ष्य कर कोन आसुची 0 into 0 हला 0 plus 0 into 0 हला 0 तमने ई केस टा हमें 0 पाइले. In the second case again you multiplied 0 into 0 0 plus 0 into 1 again 0 1 into 0 0 plus 0 into 0 0. Here you see 1 into 0 plus 0 into 1, A0. So this is a null matrix, dear. This is a null matrix of order 2. So it can be written as this is a null matrix of order 2. Here you see AB which is equal to null matrix, but A and B need not be a zero matrix. Okay. In the third point is here, the third point is the important point also. Third one is, third point, if AB which is equal to AC, dear you see, AB which is equal to AC, we cannot say that, B equal to C even if A which is not equal to the null matrix. এই জিনিস গুড়াক টিকে মনে রাখব ভেরি ইম্পর্টাট ওয়ান কিছু কোশ্চিন এথিরু তোমার কাউন্সিল রে এক মারিকিয়া কোশ্চিন রে পড়ে সো দ্যাট এই জিনিস গুড়াক আমি মনে রাখবা বি দরকার যে এ বি হুইচ ইজ ইকুয়াল টু এ সি উই ক্যান নট সে দ্যাট বি ইকুয়াল টু সে ইন কেস অফ এ ম্যাট্রিক্স মাল্টিপ্লিকেশন ইউ ক্যান নট সে দ্যাট বি ইকুয়াল টু সি ইভেন ইফ A which is not equal to B, not equal to a null matrix. I will take one example. So I will take one example. Here you write one example. If A which is equal to dear 1 2 3 4 5 6 0 0 0 and B which is equal to 3 2 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 and C equal to 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, dear. Here you see, in this case, AB, the product of AB which is equal to AC. But here you see, B is not equal to C, dear. That means first you have to find the product of AB. First you have to find the product of AB. So A is a square matrix of order 3, 2, 5, 0, 3, 6, 0 into 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. First you have to find the product AB. Here you see. What will the value? Directly you can write this as a 1 into 3 plus 4 into 1 plus, here you see, 0 into 4. That value is equal to 0. Again the second case, here you write 1 into 2 plus 4 into 2 plus 0 into 5, dear. Again here you see, first row, first column, first row with second column, again first row with third column. That means 1 into 1 plus 4 into 3, 0 into 6, right, like this. Again in the second case you see, 2 into 3, 5 into 1, 0 into 4. Again we can write this as a 2 into 2, 5 into 2, 0 into 0. You can write. Next is 2 into 1. Next part is plus 5 into 3, 0 into 6. Third one, here you see 3, 6, 0. Again you multiply 3 into 3, 6 into 1 plus 0 into 4. Again you write here 3 into 2 plus 6 into 2, 6 into 2 plus 0 into 5. Next is 3 into 1 plus 6 into 3 plus 0 into 6. Here you see, what will be the value then? What will the value of A be? Here you see. Here you see, this value is 1 into 3 is 3 plus 4 is 7. This value is 0. Next here you see 2 plus 8. 8 plus 2 is, dear, 10. And this one be 1 plus 12 is 13. Next 6 plus 5 is 11, dear. Next one is 4 plus 10, 14. Here you see 2 plus 15, 17. Here you see 3 into 3, 9 plus 6, 15. Next one is 6. This one be 6 plus 12, 18. And this one be 3 plus 18. Dear, 21. Then what will be the value of AB? So this is a matrix of order 3 by 3. This value is equal to AB. Again we have to find AC, dear. Here you see AC. AC. A which is equal to, dear, 1, 4, 0, 2, 5, 0, 3, 6, 0. And C is equal to 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 7, 8 and 9. Same case, we find out the matrix AC. Here you see, again you multiplied 1 into 3, first row with first column, 4 into 1, 0 into 7. Next is 1 into 2 plus 4 into 2 plus 0 into 8. Next is 1 into 1 plus 4 into 3, 0 into 9. Okay. Again, in the second case, again you multiplied 2 into 3, 5 into 1, 0 into 7. 2 into 2, 5 into 2 plus 0 into 8. Again 2 into 1 plus 5 into 3, 0 into 9. Third one, again third with first row, 3 into 3 plus 6 into 1, 0 into 7. 3 into 2 plus 6 into 2, 0 into 8. Again you see 3 into 1, 6 into 3 plus 0 into 9. Then you solve this one. What will be the value of AC? Here you see 3 plus 4. This value is equal to 7. Here you see 2 plus 8. This value is equal to 10. Here you see 4 plus 3 dear. 4 plus 3 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. Here you see in the second case 6 plus 5. This value is equal to 11. In the second case 4. And this value is 4 plus 10. This value is 14. And this value is 2, 15, 17. And this one is 9 plus 6, 15. Here you see 6 plus 12 is 18. Here you see again 3 plus 18, which is equal to 21. Here you see in both the case AB and AC. Here you see in both the case AB, which is equal to AC dear. Here you see AB, which is equal to AC in both the case. But you check it here, B and C, these two are not equal dear. That means AB, which is equal to AC, but B, which is not equal to C. In the is the fourth one, important note, fourth one, if AI, which is equal to A, which is equal to IA dear, AI, which is equal to A, which is equal to IA. Here you see, that means AI multiplication of a matrix with I, that I is known as the identity or unit matrix. Any matrix जदि आमे identity सहित multiplying करिबा ताहले आमे निश्चित भाव में सही मैट्रिक्स टी पाइबा. बट क्वेश्चन इज इन बोथ द केस AI and IA are defined. Therefore here you can write this as a whenever the both the products are defined. जदि दीटा कर प्रोडक्ट डिफाइंड हेइथिबो ता माने मन इच्छा आमे नै गले एटी प्रोडक्ट आमे करि परिबानी ताले ए मैट्रिक्स रो कॉलम सहित आई जो मैट्रिक्स ता आमे नै चंती ता रो रो जदि समान हबो देन ओनली ए आई व्हिच इज इक्वल टू ए एंड व्हिच इज इक्वल टू IA whenever the both the products are defined. And the fifth point is very important again. If AB, which is equal to null matrix, it does not necessarily imply that BA is equal to null matrix. BA is equal to null matrix dear. If the product of these two matrices A and B is equal to a null matrix, it does not necessarily imply that BA which is equal to a null matrix. I will take one example so that you can understand better. I will take one example dear. Here you see, if A which is equal to, I have already taken that examples 0, 0, 1, 0 and B which is equal to dear 0, 0, 0, 1. Here you see, if you multiplying these two AB, then the AB is a null matrix. Again if you multiplying BA, it does not necessarily that BA is equal to null matrix. That means here if you multiplying BA which is not equal to null matrix dear, here you see AB 0, 0, 1, 0 into 0, 0, 0, 1 ताको आमे मल्टीप्लाइंग कले देख लक्ष्य करे केमती आसी 0 into 0 plus 0 into 0. Directly we can write this as a 0. In the second case again 0 into 0 is 0 plus 0 into 1 is 0. 1 into 0 is 0 plus 0 into 0 is 0. 1 into 0, 0 plus 0 into 1, 0. So this is a null matrix dear. This is a null matrix of order 2. So it can be represented in the form of O2 or O2 by 2. Again we have to find BA and check whether BA is equal to null matrix or not. Here you see, what is the value of B? B is a matrix 0 0 0 1 into A is 0 0 1 0. Here you multiplied it. See, 0 into 0 0 plus 0 into 1 0. So this value equal to 0 dear. Next is first row with second column, 0 into 0 0 plus 0 into 0 is 0. This value is 0. Here you see in the second case dear, 0 into 0 is 0 plus 1 into 1, this value is equal to 1. This value is equal to 1. Again here you see 0 into 0 is 0 plus 1 into 0 is equal to 0. So this is not a null matrix dear. Here you see, ये जो आम बीएटा लेखिले से कौन 0 0 0 0 आम पाइले कि आम कौन पाइले ना 0 0 1 0. So this is not a null matrix. Therefore we can write this as a this not equal to co-matrix, not null matrix. Okay. Next I will discuss properties of matrix multiplication. What is the properties of matrix multiplication? Next is properties of matrix multiplication. Matrix multiplication. Properties of matrix multiplication. The first property is matrix multiplication is not commutative in general. If you consider A and B with the two matrix, then matrix multiplication is not commutative. That means AB which is not equal to BA in general. But in case of in a particular case, if AB which is equal to BA, ताहा केतटा केस रे हेई पारे, किंतु but in general AB which is not equal to BA. Here you see, matrix, first one is matrix multiplication is not commutative in general. In general, matrix multiplication is not commutative dear. तो हमको ये मन रखा पड़ो in general रे matrix multiplication टी commutative नुह. That means that is AB, if you consider A and B two matrices and AB is defined, well defined, then AB which is not equal to BA in general dear, in general AB which is not equal to BA. But in particular case किछि अछि जो जगह रे AB is equal to BA हे जिवो, आमे आगु को पढिबा तळे इनवर्स ऑफ ए मैट्रिक्स केतेबेले सेटा होउथबो ना if AB which is equal to BA which is equal to I, जदि ए प्रोडक्ट AB टा I हे गला आउ BA टा भी I हे गला सेतोळे आमे कहि परिबा B is the inverse of A. I will discuss it in a later in the inverse of a matrix. But in general AB is not equal to BA. The second one is multiplication. Matrix multiplication is dear. Matrix multiplication is associative. Here you see, that is A into BC which is equal to AB into C. Here you see A, B, C be a three matrix, and a very important point is here the product BC with the product BC is well defined and A into BC is well defined, and in the right hand side also the product AB is well defined and AB with C is also well defined. That means here you call it as a whenever both sides are defined, very important point, whenever both sides are defined. जदि आमे दी साइड को डिफाइन करि पारुथबा, then only A into BC which is equal to AB into C. Third one is matrix multiplication is distributive matrix multiplication is distributive over addition, dear. Distributive over addition. That means here again you consider three matrices. That is, the first case here you can write this as A into B plus C, dear. Here you see A into B plus C. So B plus C, here you see B and C are of same order, then only the addition of two matrices is possible. Again you check the number of columns of matrix A and the number of row of B plus C is same or not, then this also equal to what? This equal to AB plus AC. In the second case you see, here you can write this as A plus B. Here you see A plus B into C, suppose. This also equal to AC plus BC. But the important point is, whenever both sides are well defined, जदि आमे दीटा साइड को आमे well defined करी परिबा ताहले जाइकरी आमे A into B plus C which is equal to AB plus AC. Here the important point is, whenever both sides are defined here, जदि आमे दीटा साइड को डिफाइंड करी परिबा, then only A into B plus C which is equal to AB plus AC. In the second case, A plus B whole into C equal to AC plus BC. Okay. Next is this is all about the properties of matrix multiplication. Next one I will explain next class, or next I will explain you positive integral power of square matrix, dear. Positive integral power of square matrix. Positive integral power of square matrix. So we have to find positive integral power of the square matrix. Let A be a square matrix, dear. If A is a square matrix, then A square we can write this as A into A, dear. A square, we have to find A square. How to find A square? A square which is equal to A into A. In the same case, AQ which is equal to A square into A. That means first we have to find A square, then A square is equal to A into A. AQ, A square into A. Similarly, A to the power 4 is equal to A square into A square, like this, etc. ता माने जदि आमे जले पॉजिटिव इंटीग्रल पावर ऑफ ए स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स काढिबा, गोटे क्वेश्चन ने तमरो सेहि बळे आसीबो ए स्क्वायर माने A into A. That means फर्स्ट मैट्रिक्स वाला A, सेकंड भी सही A into A. सिमिलरली जदि A क्यू काढिबा को हमको पड़िबो, फर्स्ट हमको काढिबा पड़िबो A स्क्वायर. जेतोले मु A स्क्वायर काढी सारिबी ताहले जाके मु A क्यू पाइबी. जेतोले मु A स्क्वायर काढी सारची तापर A फोर्थ पाइला बेलकू अगेन वी कैन राइट दिस एज A स्क्वायर into A square, or we can write this as AQ into A. So this equal to A to the power 4. I will solve one question regarding this. Right, that question is, if, write that question, if A which is equal to, dear, A which is equal to 3 1 minus 1 2 and I, this is the identity or unit matrix 1 0 and 0 1, then show that or prove that A square minus 5A plus 7I which is equal to null matrix. Dear, question ne amar हुए तो एटी केतले केतले लिखि देथिबो small 0 बोली, and that 0 is not a numerical 0, and that 0 is the null matrix. So A is given, I, we know that I is the identity matrix or unit matrix of order 2 1 0 0. Here we can write the left hand side here. A is given, I is given. So we have to prove that A square minus 5A plus 7i, which is equal to null matrix. Therefore, we can write this as a left hand side a square minus 5a plus 7i dear. A square, that means a square is a into a dear. A is given. That means instead of a square, we can write this as a 3 1 minus 1 2 into 3 1 minus 1 2. शुण यही जगह पिला माने भूल करती डायरेक्ट ये लिखिदेवे ए स्क्वायर माने ये करदे 3 रो स्क्वायर 9 1 रो स्क्वायर 1 minus 1 रो स्क्वायर 1 and 2 रो स्क्वायर 4. This is the wrong way. Therefore, I will discuss the positive integral power of square matrix, how to calculate a square which is equal to a into a. Therefore, here you can write this as a into a is 3 1 minus 1 2 into 3 1 minus 1 2 minus 5 into a is equal to 3 1 minus 1 2 plus 7 into I. I is the identity matrix or unit matrix of order 2. Therefore, here we can write this as a 1 0 and 0 1. You see, first you have to multiply these two. 3 into 3 dear. Here you see 3 into 3 9. 1 into minus 1 minus 1. Here you see. Again here you see 3 into 1 3. 1 into 2 2 plus 2. Here you see minus 1 into 3 dear minus 3. 2 into minus 1 minus 2. See minus 1 into 3 minus 3 plus 2 into minus 1 minus 2. Again here you see minus 1 into 1 minus 1 plus 2 into 2 4. Here you see we know 5 5 into 3 1 minus 1 into 2. That 5 is a scalar. We know this scalar multiplication. That means the each element of this matrix is multiplied with 5 and that reduces to what? This value is equal to 15 and this one be 5 and this one be minus 5 and this one be 10. And here you see again 7 with multiplied with each element, then that matrix reduces to कौन हो जाउची 0 7 0 0 आउ 7. एबे हमें देखिबा केमदी होउची ताले एबे लक्ष्य करो दिस पार्ट इज 8 5 minus 5 3 minus 15 5 minus 5 10 plus 7 0 0 7. So you can write this as a, here you see directly you can write this as a अब ये कंटिन्यू कर दो. Okay, so this equal to 8 minus 15 is minus 7. Solve this to minus 7 8 minus 15 minus 7 5 minus 5 0 and minus 5 minus of minus 5 plus 5, this value equal to 0. 3 minus 10 minus 7. Here you see dear plus 7 0 0 and 7. Okay, here you see. So minus 7 plus 7, this value is equal to 0 0 0. Here this one is 0. Minus 7 plus 7 is 0. So here you see this is a null matrix of order 2 and this part be the right hand side. Okay. Next class I will discuss the matrix polynomial transpose of a matrix and symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Thank you very much.